Namaskar students, CBSE IT 402. Welcome to my series Unit 2 Electronic Spreadsheet Advanced. In this video, I am going to cover Learning Outcome 3, Share and Review a Spreadsheet. The last practical part, that is merge and compare the workbook. Myself Sanjay Parmar, I welcome you all on my channel Tutorial AICS IP. So let us begin. First of all, whenever you want to compare or merge the workbook, first you need to prepare some worksheets which is shared. So here I have prepared one worksheet, and that is I have saved over here. First of all, how to activate this option, because this option is not available in your Excel software by default. Here I have already opened, that's why it is coming. Let me try with the new Excel worksheet. So when I will open this, I have already added, so that's why it is coming. So I will show you how to activate this merge and compare and merge workbooks option on the quick access toolbar. So these steps you have to follow. Click on file, then choose options. After that, select this quick access toolbar option, because we are going to activate this command in quick access toolbar. Moreover, you can select this ribbon and you can add somewhere in the ribbon also. Suppose you want to add in ribbon, so that you have to click on commands not in ribbon. Then from here, on which tab you need, suppose I want to add in this tab, review tab, and find out the option commands not in the ribbon. Then find out the option from this list. So here it is compare and merge workbook, add. So when you click add, it is showing here commands need to be added to custom groups. So here we have to create one new group. So here I am just creating one new group, that is compare. So that you can rename, select it, select any icon. Suppose I want to give this icon. Now rename here compare and merge. So this option I want to activate. So I have added in review tab, click OK. Now see, when you go to review tab, you will find this option compare and merge. So like that you can add, but here icon is not showing. Okay, that also I will show you how it will come. So when you are selecting this option, one more thing you need to do, that is in option we have to add the command properly. Now compare and merge option we have added, that is group only. Now in that I want to add this command. So commands not in ribbon, then select compare and merge workbook, add. Now it is coming. So here you will get this option compare and merge workbooks. So now it is added in MS Excel. So this way you can add either in ribbon or in quick access toolbar. So open your shared workbook. I have already prepared this workbook, and share this by using this command review share workbook. Now click on this option, allow changes by more than one user at the same time. This allows workbook merging. So when you click on OK, it will ask to save. When you click on save, here this option will be available. Now how you can compare and merge? Suppose somebody wants to do work on the same file. So what you will simply do, simply you will copy this file and give them. So just I have copied over here. Now that user is working on this file and he had made some changes. Suppose he added one name here. Suppose this name is added, Shailesh, the marks is 190, then here it is 80, then here it is 6 only, then 195. So this thing he has added. Now I am not aware about that. So when I want to merge this thing in my file, what to do? First open this short file, then go to compare and merge workbook option. Select the file which you have shared to the another person which you have copied. Then click on OK. So here you will get that option, and automatically it will be update in your worksheet. So that is the use of compare and merge workbooks. But before this, if you have not shared your file, you have to share your workbook. Then you have to copy that file into the folder anywhere, not in the same folder, but anywhere Then when the person is doing some changes, it will available in your worksheet. So like that, you can use this option, compare and merge workbooks. So I hope you are clear about this feature. So use this feature, do the practice, and if you are getting any error or any problem, comment your doubts. I will solve your query by the reply. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you are watching my video first time, coming to my channel first time, hit the subscribe button and hit the bell notification icon also to get notified. If you love this video, you like this video, hit the like button and share with your friends. Thank you once more time for watching this video. Keep watching, keep learning.